Thanks for tuning in at Rockups.
They said homework is the teacher's way of knowing how smart the parent is. Before deciding to have kids, you should first make sure you are smart enough to help them with their homework. Let's imagine this situation. It's homework time and your kid is about to solve her math homework. Mom, I'm stuck here. Mind giving me a hand with my math homework? Sorry, sweetie, but it's your responsibility. Try solving it by yourself. Actually, I was afraid of confrontation, but after nagging and begging, I had to give her a hand and help her out. Give me your book so I can take a look at it. It was a group of hard equations, but I didn't want her to sense that I don't know the answer. Well, of course I know. Piece of cake, math has always been easy. Time passes by and the pressure builds. I was confident enough that I won't be able to help her out. Let's stop the imagination now and go back to reality before your kid discovers your inability to help. Parents, we see you, we hear you, and you're not alone. Here's the application that you encourage you tackle this issue. Photomath is ready to help you to support your child. These learning applications help you understand your math problems. Photomath is a free educational app that enables students to learn math in a fun and straightforward way. It provides arithmetics, fractions, decimal numbers, linear equations, equation system, several functions like logarithms, and more complex problems like integrals, trigonometric, and derivatives are also supported. It's the world's smarter camera calculator and math assistant. Simply point your camera toward a math problem and Photomath will magically show the result with a detailed step-by-step solution. Now let's go testing this amazing application. And here's what going to do once it's installed. Open it up and simply point that little open window to your math equation. Once it's in line with that window, go ahead, click the shutter button and oh my goodness! Check this out, it gives you the answer. Not only that, if you click on show solving steps, it breaks down every single step it takes to get to that exact answer. Let's check another example. So yes, while this app just gives you the answer, it also shows you how to break it down and figure it out. Everyone get unstuck. Homework for kids shouldn't mean headache for parents. Photomath will turn math meltdowns into math magic. Great for parents who need a bit of help in explaining answers to their kids, and good for kids to check their work and further enrichment. This application is available for free on both Android and iOS. Premium users get to see animations of how the application got the answer. I hope I showed you something new in this video. I hope this was helpful for students and parents too. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe to my channel in order not to miss anything in the future. Goodbye.